Mark with the World's Okayest Farmer, and I am running on no sleep right now as usual. I got too much going on, and it's crunch time. I have a big job starting tomorrow that I'm going to take you guys along on. It's probably the biggest job that I've taken on, and I needed a machine. I needed a skid steer for this job, and I've rented them, and it's just sometimes it's a pain making sure there's a machine available, and then you rent a machine for say a week and you get rained out, especially where we live. I use them all the time, I rent them all the time. It's time to pull the trigger and actually buy one. I'm actually leasing one. It's just a lot cheaper. I was looking at purchasing one. I was watching the used market. The prices are crazy right now. 3,000 and 4,000 hour machines are still well over $30,000. If it's like a Kubota, it's still like $50,000, and that's just crazy. I'm getting a brand new machine for $550 to it's like $550, $580 a month lease for 4 years. I'm doing. There's a 3-year, 4-year, and 5-year option. I'm doing a 4-year option with the option to buy out at the end.
As we reported ahead, eyes up. That's going to be a trend.
I also had them put side lights on it and a radio in it, because that's what I want on it. It's enclosed cab. It's a Bobcat. I know some of you aren't big Bobcat fans, but this is a Bobcat T595, 2,200 pound working force, tracked machine. I did say enclosed ROPS, heat and air. It's going to be a nice machine. So, you know, also with the new lease, it's warranted. If I buy one of those 3,000 hour machines for 33, 35K, it could be a grenade. You just don't know. People are hard on equipment. My other Bobcat, it does have a Kubota engine in it, but it's been great. I wish this had a Kubota engine in it. It doesn't, but I don't think it takes DEF fluid. It just has some sort of emissions on it. We'll find out. I don't know all the details about it, but the Lepo Rents of Youngstown, all the Lepos, they have a pretty good lease deal going on. If you're in the Ohio area or even Western Pennsylvania, they have a pretty good lease option. I actually could have got it a little bit cheaper, but the way it worked out, right when I called, they had a couple days left on their cheaper lease deal. It was about to go up $50 to $100, and they couldn't find me a machine in time. They just sold the last 3. It's crazy right now in the machine world. Things are selling like crazy. It's like that in everything, but alright, I'm not going to bore you with any more. This thing's not even going home. I got my trailer with me. I'm going straight to my full-time job after picking this up and signing papers. And I'm taking it to work with me. Picking it up now at the dealer. I'm going to work, and then tomorrow we're starting the biggest job that I've taken on, putting in a 1,400-foot driveway. And yeah, let's see this new machine. My machine. No bucket, so they're gonna have to run it out to the job site in the morning. Bye.